dinosaur. Kids, have you ever seen a dinosaur? How does it look? Come on, let's make a dinosaur. Dip a piece of crushed paper in watercolor. Put impression on the dinosaur. See the amazing effects.